How to turn off Spotify Shuffle Play. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply turn off Spotify Shuffle Play. Easy. So you just have to follow these simple steps. So without further ado, we are gonna dive into this. First of all, what you're gonna do is open up the Spotify application on your mobile phone devices. Once you do that, you're gonna arrive in the home page. Once you get there, you're gonna search for any song, or simply you're gonna go into your library and play any song from the artist. So for example, you play a song that is this one. So once you play on it, so you see this song has started playing. So to do or to reshuffle it, you guys can simply tap on it. The song would, or the playlist would get reshuffled. So once again, you want to do that, there's just an icon beside this heart emoji or icon that has just been turned green. There is just an icon right beside it for the shuffle that would include two arrows. When you tap on it, instantly the song would get shuffled. Once you tap it once more time, the list would turn white. That means that icon would turn white. That means that you have turned off the Spotify Shuffle Play. So once you do that, so automatically every song just turns off from shuffling. So this is how you do it. This is how you turn off Spotify Shuffle Play. I hope you guys understand the video and it was informative for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. Till next time, peace.